This is the second video looking at functions and their derivatives using the chain, the product, and the quotient rule. And I'm going to use the chain rule and I'm going to do part B. I've done part A in a previous video. So I've got these values here. Again, if you want to pause the video and just read the question, you can do. Now, if I'm using the chain rule here, because I've got a function put into another function, the first thing I need to do is actually just work out what G, O, F, 3 actually is. So this is going to give me the point where it goes through. Now that will give me, that's 3 into F. So 3 into F gives me 5. So I'm looking for G5. So I'm going to go to G5 and it gives me 6. Now that's the coordinate that I'm going to need later. So 3, 6 is where I'm looking for the equation of the tangent. Now if I'm looking for, let's do this right, if I'm looking for the Q dash, so I'm looking to differentiate Q, using the chain rule equation, what I'm looking for here is G dash f of x. So f of x put into G dash, and then multiply that by f dash x. And that's for GOF. Obviously, these will change around if it's for FOG. Now, remember, I'm looking for a specific point. So I'm looking for when it's at 3. So I'm going to see if I've got all those values. So I'm looking for G dash F3 times by F dash 3. So let's go through and start working out some of these values. So F3 is 5. So I'm actually looking for G dash 5 times it by F dash 3. So 3 F dash 3 is 2. And G dash 5 is 1. So this is 1 times 2. So obviously 2, this is the gradient of the tangent. So I know my equation is going to be y equals 2x plus c. Let's go back up here and look at this one here, this coordinate. So 6 and 3 for the x gives me 6 plus c. So my c value is obviously 0. So my final equation is y equals 2x. Now that last bit there is okay, straightforward. This is the bit you're going to have to remember and write down if you need, in order to remember how to differentiate with the chain rule when you aren't given the functions.